Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is MK and I'll be your host. Today's topic will be about PancakeSwap. Before we start, guys, if you liked the video and it was helpful in any sort of way and you would like to see further or more videos like this, please hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notification. Also, we have our own Discord where I'll be putting it on the description. If you want to join that, we always put the information there before we put the video. So without further ado, let's get started with it. So guys, what is PancakeSwap? Let's quickly check, educate ourselves what PancakeSwap is. So PancakeSwap is a type of DEX known as Automated Market Maker, AMM. This is essentially means that there are no order books, there's no bids or no trades like that system or limit or market orders. Instead, users trading on the platform automatically draws liquidity from one or more liquidity pools, which then rebalances after the trade is complete. So guys, PancakeSwap is a DeFi, is a decentralized exchange. So you can't use it without having MetaMask. And I believe there's a video, and I'll be adding on the description explaining to you step by step how to use or how to install MetaMask, and also how you can add Binance Smart Chain, which you will need to add Binance Smart Chain on. So yeah, let's start. So PancakeSwap is a exchange, as I mentioned, and also you will need your MetaMask. And yeah, this is the layer of PancakeSwap, and you have different options here. So on the left top corner, you've got the syrup or the rabbit looking like cake swap, and you've got option here where you can trade and liquidity. We'll go through it all, and then there's an option here you can earn, pull, and there's a prediction lottery system. They have the NFT collections overview, and also on the right hand side top is where you can connect your wallet. And to connect your wallet, you will need MetaMask, as I mentioned before. And here it just tells you the pricing. Here's the different languages that can be change to, and you can click on the setting just to see, and you can do play about with the slippages and all that. So without further ado, let's get to it. First thing you will need, guys, is, as I mentioned, MetaMask. So you click on the connect wallet, then you click on your MetaMask, and this should pop up and it will ask you for permission, to connect your MetaMask so that they can do trade on there. So here is asking you, PancakeSwap connect with MetaMask. So you connect to it, and then it will ask you to view your address. It'll ask you for permission to view your addresses. So you have to allow it. Then once that's done, it should connect you. So now that we're connected, as you can see, your address should pop up there, and it will tell you the information about your address. So guys, now what we need to do is, and now the main thing that you need to trade, or personally I trade with on PancakeSwap, especially when I'm using is BNB. And and as this is a Binance Smart Chain network, is based on the Binance Smart Chain, it makes it easier and convenient. Some people might use USDT, some people might use BUSD. So what we're gonna do, guys, let me open my MetaMask. So once you open the MetaMask, anyways, what you will need to do is add your MetaMask, and add cake, where we'll be using this example now. It will be, you will need to add cake. So anyways, what you will need to do first is click on trade. And once you click on trade, you'll come to this section here where, usually what you can do is straight away you can buy it from here. So without you adding it, and then it will give you the option on here to add the cake or whatever the coin might be to get. So let's just say on this case here, we want 0.1. Actually, let's just change that and make it 0.8. Just to give us some fees. You will need small amount of fees. But yeah, first before I confirm the transaction where it gives you the options. So now we're saying basically we want 0.08 BNB worth of cake, and it will give you an option here of how much of cake you will get. and the price of cake per price of cake, and how much it will be in BNB wise. So one cake is 0.0199083, and then on here it will say, it will mention to you minimum receive, what you will receive, and the price impact here, and the liquidity provider, like the liquidity provider fee. So what I mentioned on the video, I'll show you guys how to provide liquidity. If you're a liquidity provider, you'll be, eligible to get commission from this fees that everyone will be transacting on. So guys, and what you will need to do is click confirm, and then it will give you this window will pop up. It will give you the options, and then sometimes like this it will happen because of price movement. So you just have to accept and then confirm. Once you confirm, then the MetaMask window will pop up and it will ask you to confirm it on here. So you scroll down and then you confirm it. Once you confirm it, this window will close and here it will pop up. It should pop up here. So now you've got the option, guys, here where you can add cake to your MetaMask. Now PancakeSwap made it easier for people just to simply just add it by just clicking that. Once you click on that, it should automatically pop up and it will ask you, do you want to add PancakeSwap on your, or cake to your wallet? So you do add, and now what happens is that's automatically added into your wallet. So we done our first, swap in terms of PancakeSwap. So now what we're gonna show you guys is how you can add, a pair of a liquidity for, for example, BNB and cake, for example, or this in this scenario we'll be using BNB and cake. So let's go, and here is where you will be adding your liquidity. As we don't have on this wallet, we don't have any liquidity, but guys, I use personally PancakeSwap to stake and cake or provide liquidity. Is a helpful tool that you can generate money without you doing that many things. So you just click here, add liquidity. So once you do that, then you just choose the pair you want, which is BNB, and then you choose cake. And then now what you're gonna do to make it easier for you, because cake is, you just, because we have cake and we have more BNB than cake. So what you do is click max, and then it will tell you how much of BNB you will need to provide. So it needs to be 50-50 ratio, so 1-to-1, like, so it has to be an equal proportion, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. And then you just say enable cake. It will ask you, to enable it through your MetaMask, and it's a small fees of 14 cents. So you just click confirm. That's the good thing about Binance Smart Chain. There's no crazy fees. Once you do that, it will just, the enabling, and then that's it. So once that happens, you just enable, do that, then you will do supply, and then it will tell you how much of LP token you can get. So LP token, basically what that means is liquidity providing token. So you what you're doing is you're adding BNB and cake together, and you're getting that much. So you say confirm supply, and you have to confirm it on your MetaMask again. Again, it's gonna be a small fees. So you just click on that. And then now you got, so the same principle, what we've done with cake, adding on our MetaMask, we can do the same thing here. So you just click on there and you simply just add it, and that's it. It's as easy as that. So now you got your LP token. Let's close that window, and now it will show you what LP tokens you in your wallet. So now you have here an LP token, so BNB and cake LP, which is 0.05, and then the share pool, what you're getting, because the more you have, the more percentage you'll be making. And the pool that the pulled cake, the cake that you put in there, and the pulled BNB, the amount that you put it will tell you here. So now you think to yourself, that's it's not a lot. What can I do with it? So you have the option here to earn, and you can go, for example, if you have the LP, you can go to farm. Once you go to farm, you have variety of different pairs. that you can use to provide. So here, for example, you've got the cake and BNB, and here it's saying to you you're going to be getting 34.99 APR. That's yearly. So the LP token that we have is cake and BNB, and to be honest with you, 34.99 is not bad. Not no bank that will give you such rates or whatever the case is. But on here, this is not. Some people might get confused, but this is just a commission based. So you're making commission from you providing the LP token. Once we got the LP token ready, what we need to do is then come on here and then enable LP. So now we're gonna be farming on this pool syrup. So that will cost 13 cents as well. So most of the, any transaction that happens, and you have to pay a small amount of fee. So once you do that, just give it a bit of time, let the transaction go through. So once the transaction goes through, there you go. So now you can stake your LP. So you can do, in this case, is click the total, the max. Once you click on the max, you just confirm it on here. That's transaction confirmed. So now you're officially staking, guys. So what you can do, so on this platform, most of the LPs that you'll be staking, you'll earn cake. I believe most of them, well, or if it's not all of them, you'll be earning cake. So you just, every now and then you just check up on it and just harvest, as easy as that. So yeah, and yeah, guys, this is what the farming people talk about. And then you have the other option, when you harvest your cake here, then you can go the extra step where you can put that cake to work and stake the cake itself, and that way just auto generating for you.